Check out this 2012 Toyota Tundra 4WD truck base. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include TRD Rock Warrior package, locking limited slip differential, front head airbag, cruise control, rear reading lamps, multi-zone AC, adjustable steering wheel, power door locks, and driver airbag. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.